Hello everyone from the Yummy Delicious World Foods channel. Today, together, we will make lemonade, our indispensable drink that refreshes us during the hot summer months. We would be very grateful if you could support us by liking the video, subscribing, and activating the notification bell. Let's get started then. Ingredients: 5 lemons, 1 orange, 3 cups of granulated sugar. After washing the lemons and orange, we grate their peels. Also, do not forget to add our informative footnote. The lemonade drink was created in the palace of the Mamluk Sultanate, a Turkish state. Later, when the Ottoman Empire conquered these lands, the recipe was passed to another Turkish empire, the Ottomans, and it was mentioned in palace sources. Finally, the recipe spread to the rest of the world, first in their own country and then globally, by the French, who were amazed by its taste, in 1676. We add the granulated sugar over the grated peels. Stir until the sugar turns yellow. We cut the lemons and the orange in half. We squeeze the juice from the lemons. Then, we pour the lemon and orange juice over the sugar. Finally, we add 4 liters of water. Stir until the granulated sugar dissolves. Let it rest in the refrigerator for 2 hours. As a result, our lemonade is ready. Enjoy your meal. Stay tuned for many more videos. If you liked it, don't forget to like the video and support our channel by subscribing and activating the notification bell. Wishing you beautiful and healthy days.